Hello guys. My lips are dry and I don't like that. So let's go in there. Yo guys, if there's anything that I do the most, I have to be losing my Vaseline. Welcome to another day. I needed that water. Welcome to another day. Today is Friday, the 12th of September. I am going for my photo shoot for Miss National South Africa. So excited. And yeah, I did my lashes yesterday. I don't show you guys the whole process because I'm not yet good at doing my lashes with camera, but I do them off camera and stuff. So yeah, I did that. And then I did my hair yesterday as well. Period. I look so good. Yeah, but my same shoot. Okay, let me show you the stuff first. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I love the fact that it's full and stuff because the pictures are about to eat. Guys, I'm so excited. And yeah, and my swimwear got delivered because Alaja was so serious. Like, I just can't wait to take pictures and show you guys, because I know for sure I'm gonna look good. Like guys, like even the pose I'm my favorite my posing because my pictures have to eat. Like it has to eat because like guys, the minute people like go through the page, Miss National, but wow, like that way give them all like surrounding and then I get the title because that's how it works. So yeah, please guys, I'm gonna tell you when the pictures are up. The pictures are probably gonna go up next week. Not probably, they're gonna go up next week. Then I'm gonna tell you guys. Then you go like Facebook, and you like Instagram, and you like TikTok, and you like guys, hey guys, we are working. But yeah guys, let me go bath and blessing. But yeah, let me go bath and get ready for the photo shoot. I'm gonna be with my friend and my brother Maestro. You guys know Maestro and my friend Mankabinde. She's gonna be there as my friend, moral support and whatever. I love her so much. I love them so much. And yeah, I'm so excited guys. Yo, I can't wait. Period. And yeah, bye-bye. I look like Miss South Africa, never? Or namang? I look like Miss South Africa. Jalo. Hey, konimutula lento. Sagulimutula lento. Wathatha inhliziyo yami wabaleka seyilisela wenta nomuntu lisela oh wathatha inhliziyo yami wabaleka wakha phansi. Like, shouldn't be scared, guys. I'm scared. I'm here to watch you Guys, I'm about to start my photo shoot. My friend is not here. My friend is here. I am ngizomshaya guys because angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yo. Uyangistressa guys because ukuphi.
Cause she always getting prettier, getting finer. Bad girl, fire. Girl, you bring the heat like a lighter. And you're always getting prettier, getting finer, richer, wiser. Body Sydney and designer. But you're always getting prettier.
Yes. Yes! Yo!
Front page.
Nawe ngibambe kumanzisi ngizomshaya. Superwoman.
On Monday, sing a polo, ne? Every day, we check a Monday.
Yeah, ibona indaba. Yebo phela. Hawu. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Guys, let me tell you something. I was talking the whole time for a good 3 minutes and the thing wasn't recording and I'm like, wow. I bit myself, so guys. Anyways, it's Saturday today. I'm about to study. I'm writing. Like my schedule is so crazy. I'm writing into lunch with no break, and I'm like, how could you do that? How could you do that? But it's fine. So I'm about to cross nuts and stuff. Yeah, I'm charging you guys, manj. It's managing me my room because my room, it's not really a mess, but then focused about. And yeah, and then easy we try to find every say I'm gonna vlog if possible, but yeah, let's study together. The lighting is so bad. Into engizoyifunda mangiqeda ukuphuza le Red Bull. Ngithi into engizoyifunda mangiqeda ukuphuza le Red Bull. Live. Guys, now go, and at this point I just have to raise my hands up because there's nothing I can do, honestly. And the phone thingy, the lighting is bad. I'm using the back camera with the flash because the lighting is so bad. Oh, modem warlekamo. Guys. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog and stuff like boningi, guys. Like I'm so stressed. Yo, guys, baba fan. Yo, yes. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I'm writing my second paper and I'm not ready. I'm like, I know it's minutes I have a assessment week, but I'm too young for Kamamang. And yo, I'm gonna see you guys after writing.
Previous question paper.
How do you feel?
How do you feel? I feel nervous.
How do you feel?
I'm not dying. I feel nervous. I feel
Wandile, how do you feel?
I feel good. Ngizowa, ngizomkhokha. Sengihlephukile sengifuna ilanga.
Ilanga is there. Hi guys, 1 hour later we're done. Shooting done. Couldn't end up before.
It wasn't bad though.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Guys, I just finished cooking. And what time is it? Oh, quarter to 8. Quarter to 8, and start. I can't talk honestly. I'm gonna start studying because I'm writing again tomorrow. Like literally I was writing today when I'm Balisa for success. So I need to study stuff nje. Yo, I shame nakila bele ka skolo hle. Akinya ko belela maka hle. Yo. Hi guys, today is Tuesday. I'm writing my second last paper. And I don't know what to say, honestly. I'm excited. I just want to be done, honestly. That's the only thing I want. And that's, let's just go write. How do I feel about the paper? I feel like all of these papers, I'm not worried.
I'm not feel. I'm worried.
Because about each time face between the two papers, because I was writing this day and I had little time to study for this one. And this one is my major, by the way. So I guys honestly don't know. But let's just go, honestly. Raggedy, especially my hair. Like I tied this thing kanjena because what's the reason, Vel? I don't have a reason. I just didn't want it to touch my back rather. So I tied it like this, and now it's so weird. Anyways, I'm having last paper syndrome and I'm writing tomorrow, and I don't know how to feel, honestly, but we're gonna have an energy drink and study because I need to parse. I need to go home. Like, oh, I can't wait to go home, honestly. But yeah, guys, it's currently 11:30. At 12 I'm starting again, and this time around angisadlali ke manje. Look, time to play ifedile. So yeah, I'm about to share books for real. Manje sengiyayifaka. I'm locking in for real because I'm writing at 8. I need to rest, and I don't even think I'll be able to rest because I drank ilontos, an energy drink, and like the amount of water I've been drinking, but still angizela ngikhathele. So just zolala mangokubhala. Yes. Now I'm gonna close my books at 3, then sleep and probably wake up at 5:30 in your case, and then 7 ngiyahamba ngiyobhala 8. Yo guys, I'm stressed about this paper. Like everybody's stressed about this paper. This module, bro, there's not even a scope. Yeah. Guys, bye bye. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Is it Friday today? Yes, it's Friday today. I'm writing my last paper, and I don't know how I feel. Honestly, guys, these tests, I don't know how I felt, and I don't know, honestly. I need to take down this garter, like it's been long, and I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing this top and my sweatpants are black, honestly, and yay! And you got so long. I'm not even gonna carry a bag. I'm so scared. Like, guys, everybody's scared about this paper. I've only paper libels compared to other papers that I wrote. This one, and there's no scope, so you just didn't know what to study. Like, what do you mean there is no scope? Joe, I'm so scared for my life, honestly. Just can't wait to come back and sleep. Because I'm just happy for Snoguti. It's my last paper. But yeah.
Of water conservation. Then water has identified targets as the second highest
Guys, I'm done writing. I don't even know how the paper was. These people are going home. Then there's me. Because I was writing my last paper, I was going to go home today. Man, yeah. They made us attend after writing, and I have a test. Yeah. And I'm so mad because I was going to go home early. That means I was going to have recess, but it's fine, I guess.